So I want to show you how to recreate this in Pixellab. All right, I want to show you how to recreate this in Pixellab. All right, so as usual, you think and then you create. You think and then you create. So let me get everything in. All right, so without further ado, let's jump right into the video. But you have to promise to like the video, like and share. Let me show you some of the tutorials we have done already on our YouTube channel that you can actually watch, that can actually help you. So you can see some of them right here. We even did this one right here from House of David. This particular design, as you can see, this is LCCG. We did favor design from them also, so you can just try our designs and see how I do. We did this one for them recently. That's about 2 days ago. All right, so let's try. Let me show you this. All right, so let's move our background. This background. So let's say this. I'm going to remove it now. All right, then I'm going to bring in the background we're going to be using. Right, so if you want to learn how I got this background, how I was able to get the background, then you have to register for my church flyer design mastery class. Yeah, that's in that course I'm going to teach you how to get any background of your choice, or how to get, if I say, any resources. All right, so that's that. So let's bring in, before we bring in the image, let me show you something. I'm going to save this first. Let's save it as church flyer design. Right now I will need something, so that word Sunday, I will need it. So I want to come here. I want to type Sunday like this. All right, and I want to use this long font, B Barnes, one of my favorite. So I'm going to drag it like this, Sunday, right? And I'm going to select. Okay, let's leave that selection first. Let's just save it as a transparent background. All right, okay. So let's just come here and save. All right, so that is done. So let's come back again. Let's bring this guy. All right, so now Sunday is done. Let's remove it. All right, so the next thing we want to do right here is to bring in the Sunday that we just saved. All right, so we're bringing in the Sunday that we just saved now. Just try to crop it very well. All right, that is it. Okay, so that is that. We are now going to pick one of the colors from the original design. So select this color. So we'll just look for the color that I want to use. So let's select the color here. All right, then we will start now. We want to do perspective. We'll come here, perspective, enable. Then we will start moving it. All right, so you move it. So the Sunday should go in there like that. All right, so like this. All right, something like that. So let me see. So let's push it down there. Alright, push it down there. Let's see. No, we need to touch it again. Come on. Let's touch it again. So let's remove this here. Okay. Right, so the part that I want to touch actually is this part. So I want to carry this guy hat. No. I want to carry this guy hat. So that is, I want to come here. I want to move it. Because I want to actually touch this part. It's not coming out, so let me bring it out more. Oh, let me reduce this. Let me still bring it out more. Alright, so like this. So that I can actually touch it. But this is why I want to touch, so I can drag it like this. Alright, then we can move it back again. So we'll do it like this is what we're going to have. Alright, so that's what we're going to have then. We just come here and just reduce the opacity just a little. All right, so that it feels like it's actually entering inside the wall. All right, then we'll come over here and bring in this picture of the pastor we're going to be using. Okay, so we'll put it there very small. It's looking at the top. All right, then we would copy it like this and then change this to this color that we use here. All right, then we would do it like this. All right, so like that. All right, then we're going to come here. We're going to actually reduce the opacity. All right, so it's going to look like it's a shadow, right? Then we'll come to what's it called, perspective. Then we're going to enable it, and then we drag. And because if we drag it like this, we'll not get the results. So let's drag like this. So like that. that. You see that now? So we'll just come here, we'll move it. So we'll just rotate it so that it enters the leg very well. Then we try to adjust it. Let's try to adjust it. Alright, so we can close it up just to make sure that it enters the leg very well. That is inside the leg like this. Alright, then you can see that the shadow effect has been created. Alright, the next thing I want to do now, I should just reduce the opacity. Alright, so that's that. Okay, so after we've done that, we want to come over here and okay, we've not gotten the logo. Let's get the logo. Alright, so let's get the logo. Okay, so let's come here. Let's put it there. Come here, alright. As old of David. Okay, so put it there small. Alright, so you should have liked this video and subscribed by now. You should have liked this video and subscribed by now. If not, I'll just come to your house. So as old of David, let's do it like this. Then let's make it a little bit closer to each other, the space. Alright, then okay, so we can adjust it. So we can move this a little bit. Okay. So this guy here. Alright, so that's that. Look at what I want to do here. So just then the next thing we want to do is the addresses that we have here. So let's come with this. Alright, so it's going to be a long font like Bibans also. Alright, we'll just come here, Bibans. Then we'll carry it and put it here. We'll use the left or the right alignment, and then we'll select this color. So just come here and select the color. So since we already have the original design, we can pick the color there. Right, do it to like the video. So just come here and fix it there, somewhere here. Alright. Alright, then we'll close up the space a little. Alright, close up the space. Alright, see what you've done for me. See how you set me free. You are the living God. Alright, so for the dates, we just come over here. Alright, so we'll use the same font. And then we just come and then we increase it. Put it there. It's looking like. Alright, so we just come close up the space. Fix it there, reduce it. Alright, do it to like the video, share it to a friend. So right here we have this description. Right here we are going to use this font to do 8 a.m. first service. So let's quickly do this first. Let's type to the date, 8 a.m. the time rather. So we use this dark font here. So it's going to be bold. See bold. So let's check it's bold. Right, then we'll just put it there. Right, so all you need to do is to zoom it so that I can fix it very well. So just rotate it to the perspective where that it is like this. Alright, fix it there. Right, so reduce the opacity, let's see. Right, so right, then copy, then put this one here. So here it's going to be 930. Don't forget to like the video. Like the video and share it. Keep sharing it. Just share it to the friend. There's somebody you're going to share this with right now. They're going to say thank you. Thank you. So there's a channel like this, and I didn't know. So I'll be depriving myself. Alright, so but then share. So here we're going to type first service. Share it. All right. So when I was growing up, I remember one time like that. I was very, very tasty. I was very, very tasty. I did a first, I did fasting, and then and the whole thing ended up that I drank kerosene. But how did I even drink kerosene? Self, my korokoro high. It was taste that caused me to drink kerosene. And how did it happen? So actually, I said I wanted to fast. And I fasted for 24 hours. That was the first time that I would do a fasting for the whole 24 hours. And I was so very, very hungry. I've never been that hungry. So I decided that to spend the night in church. So while in church, when it was time to break the fast, I was still not having, of course I didn't have food, I didn't carry food. Alright, so I was just there, all alone at night. And something happened. So let's see. You can have it like this. The pastor's name. So all alone at night, I was just there in the church, and I was very, very hungry. Very, very hungry. And I didn't know where or what to do or how to eat. What will I even eat in the first place? So let's write Pastor Shola here. So I didn't know what to eat. So I remember I was walking in the church, walking up and down everywhere, just looking for anything that I can eat. Sorry, not even eat, self drink. I was looking for something to drink, maybe water or something. But guess what? There was absolutely nothing. I didn't care if it was a pure water that maybe somebody drank and left, maybe on the share. I don't know, or anywhere. I don't care. I just needed water. And I couldn't get water actually. I kept checking and checking and checking. There was no water anywhere. I remember that day, as I was checking the whole place for water that would save my soul. I never knew how precious water was until that day. Then I was checking and checking and checking and checking, and then all of a sudden I saw in one of the cupboards that I was checking in church, I saw this particular what's it called, Ragolis water, and I was like, wow, God has saved my soul. So I don't know why this pea is cutting out. So that was how I got that water. This pea is cutting out. Right, inshallah. Let's reduce it. Alright, so it's working now. So just reduce the opacity. So that was how I got that water. And I took it to a very quiet place, and I was about to devour it. Alright, as I was about to devour it, I didn't even know that was not water, because my taste was something else. Alright, so I just went and carried that thing and turned it inside my mouth. It was when the thing, I can't get the name very well. It was when the thing I can't get the name very well, so let me just leave it. I'm gonna write lead pastor. I can't get the name very well. It's sounding I mean. So when the thing entered my mouth, so then I realized that it was kerosene that I had drank. Kerosene. Oh, guess what happened? My taste increased. That day, there used to be this elderly man that guides our church that year. It was a very long time ago. So there's this elderly man that guides our church. There's a security man there. So as an elderly person, he always liked to bathe with warm water or hot water. So it was the water he was eating with water heater. That was the water I drank that day. I did not care where the water came from. I actually fetched that water from the tap. Did I say tap? No, he fetched that water from well. I didn't care how he got it. I just drank it like that because I was actually dying. Alright, so that's that. So we have been able to create the design. So we want to add maybe just a little blah 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 here. So let's see this one that says stream on all platforms. What is it? So that was the way I drank. That was how I drank the water, and I survived. So taste is very, very important. Hunger is very, very important, and you need to be careful what you are hungry for. Some of you are hungry for knowledge. Some of you are hungry. When you are hungry for knowledge, you need to be careful who you are going to be learning from. All right, because hunger is good, but if you don't channel it very well, it can be very, very dangerous. I just told you how that I was not able to design that what I was drinking, what was before my hand was a kerosene. Why? Because I was very, very crazily hungry. Alright, so to get the resources used, you just have to watch the video. Alright, so just watch the video, you will be able to get the resources that I use for the design. So I just want to copy this, put this one there, and then copy this. Then let's take for example this, YouTube, and alright, so copy. So you have to watch the video from the beginning to the end to get the password, because if you don't watch the video from the beginning to the end, you will not be able to get the password. Alright, if you want to get the password, I've told you what to do. Just watch the video from the beginning to the ending. Alright, and get the passwords to unlock the resources in the description of this video. So all I have to do here is just to copy this and move it down here, and then move it. Okay, so that's that. My name is Niyamuda. There is a course on church flyer design that I have prepared that will teach you how to get all your resources. How to get all your resources. It will give you a breakdown on how to design any kind of flyers. Now, it's not just limited to church flyer, but although the course is called Church Flyer Design Mastery, but it's not just only church flyer that we're going to be learning. The principle that's shared in the class is going to teach you, is going to help you to be able to design any kind of design, because it's very powerful, and you'll be able to get all kind of resources. Okay, let's type here household of David. With the tutorial, you'll be able to get any kind of what's it called? You'll be able to get any kind of resources that you want. Why? Because I'm going to show you the secret on how to get all those kind of resources. Even those ones that you said, I many of you that complain to me that, oh, it's colonial design. Where are they getting their resources from? Is it from heaven? Is it from the spirit? Or more? They are not getting the resources from the spirit. They are downloading it from a platform, and there are other ways they are getting it. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how to get those kind of resources. All right. So just register for that course and you are good to go. You don't need to struggle. While I'm here, you don't need to struggle. I'm going to show you exactly how they get their resources. I'm going to give you access to different kind of church flyers. All right. I'm going to give you also access to the exact way I get my resources. I download my resources. Let me use LinkedIn. Okay, let's use Instagram. So this is an old Instagram account logo. All right, so I'm going to show that to you. So just register for that course. There's going to be a link in the description. If you don't find the link in the description, quickly just send me a message. All right, send me a message on WhatsApp or Facebook, anywhere you see me, and then I will be there for you. All right, thank you so much for watching. My name is Niyamuda, and on this channel I create videos or tutorials with my smartphone. All right, and I help you to make money with that your smartphone. So while you are here, instead of pressing your smartphone here and there, I want to show you how you can actually be resourceful and make money with that your smartphone. Right, instead of just pressing your phone. No, there's some person just press their phone for fun, and they help other people to grow their social media by watching their video, which is very good. It's not bad, not a bad thing. But then what about you? Who is helping you to grow yours? All right, so while you are with your smartphone, I want to teach you how you can earn with it, how you can make your first 1 million naira, how you can make your first 100,000 naira, how you can make good money with your smartphone. So you want to register for that course and learn the business of graphic design. You want to learn the business of graphic design because it's not enough to be skillful. All right, design is okay, design is done. It's not enough to be skillful. When you're done, you save. It's not enough to be skillful. You want to be resourceful. All right, skillful people can still be broke if they don't know the business of their skill. All right, skillful people can still be broke. They can still live broke. They can still die broke. You know, there are a lot of skillful people, very skillful people, but they don't have transport or even go to church. They don't have transport or even go to where they want to go to because they don't charge for their services, because they don't have wisdom on how to make money. All right, so this is what we just saved right now. Are you getting me now? This is not the original design. This is what we just saved. This is the one we just saved. Look at it, you'll see it. All right, so I just come here and I'll just click on tool. I'll go to this guy and I'll just do this a little. All right. So if you want to make money with your skill, you need to learn the business of the skill. You need to learn the business of the skills. All right, and that is what I'm going to be teaching you. That church flyer design called the business of graphic design. How to make money with church flyer. Church flyer design, one of the most unique design, very powerful, very popular, and very cool. That is why sometimes I create more of church flyer design, because there are many concepts that goes into it. All right, so that's at the end of this tutorial today. My name is Niyamuda, and I'm going to see you in the next tutorial. Do it to like this video. Tell me where you're watching from, and tell me if you subscribe or not. Please subscribe. Don't tell me. Just subscribe. Thank you. I love you all. Thank you for your support. God bless you.